So I'm going to show you guys how I do the overlay method with some new products that I've absolutely been loving. So let's get into it. We're going to be using the Modelones soft gel nail tips. I've used these in the past and I love them, so I'm really excited to use them in today's video. And the best part is that they're super affordable over on Amazon. So I already know my perfect sizes, so I'm just gonna go ahead, if you guys are new here, and show you guys how to properly size out your nails. So in this set for my thumb, I am a size 0, so you want to make sure that the nail fits perfectly sidewalls to sidewalls, that there's no pressure on the nail and everything fits comfortably. Now these are just slightly a little big for my nails, so I do have to just go ahead and file off the edges a little bit, just to give it a custom fit. So I'm gonna go ahead and pick out my other sizes and I'll be right back. So I picked out my sizes here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just do a little bit of customizations to my nails before I go ahead and get into some cuticle work. Perfect. So these are all perfectly sized out for my fingers. I'm gonna go ahead and get into some cuticle work. Alrighty, so our nail plate and our cuticles are nice and prepped. I love how my nails look when the cuticles are off. So we're gonna go ahead and get into some dehydrator. So I am gonna take my Kiara Sky Step 1. This is a dehydrator, and I'm gonna go ahead and put this all over my nails. And if you guys are not familiar why we use dehydrator, it's just to make sure that there's no oils or anything that can stop the adhesion process. So dehydrator is very important when you are doing your gel X extensions. Alrighty, so let's get into application. So let's get into our peel off base. So I am gonna use the Jello peel off base. I'm gonna put this all over my 5 fingers. Alright everyone, before we go ahead and do our overlay, we're going to go ahead and just thin out the cuticle a little bit. So I'm going to take my brush here, and I am going to take a little bit. When I tell you a tiny bit of acetone, I'm just going to take a little bit of this and I'm going to run it across the cuticle. Now you don't want this to be overly saturated. You just want to lightly kind of melt or thin down the cuticle area so that way it kind of is fleshed to the nail. Now you don't want to do too much because you don't want to disturb that peel off base underneath. So just make sure that you're doing it back and forth on the actual nail extension. Alrighty everyone, so here's what the overlay looks like. Nice and smooth. I'm absolutely obsessed with this J.bin top coat. You do need to have a little bit of patience, but when it's all said and done, look at this application. Beautiful. Alright guys, so I'm gonna go ahead and move on to some base coat, and then I'm gonna polish up the nails and finish this video for you guys. Alrighty, so base coat is now on, so we're gonna get into polish. So I'm gonna use the Chaun Legend gel polish in the color Ice Latte. This color is so beautiful. It's a very nude, like peach color, and I'm absolutely obsessed with his shears. Look at that, yummy. I have 3 of his shears, and I love each one. I love them. I've used one in my last video, and I'm gonna use this one, and I'll probably use the next shear in the next one, hopefully. But anyways, let's get into polishing, guys. Look at how stunning this polish color is. Whoa. Oh, it's the perfect, it literally is my perfect nude. Oh man, this is the Chaun Legend again, Ice Latte color. If you guys are like a medium tan skin tone, this is gonna be your perfect nude. I highly recommend it. And look, the proof is in the pudding. So pretty. I'm gonna end today's video here. I'm not gonna go ahead and top coat this because I will be using the Maniology M22 plate, which is a coffee plate, and I'm gonna be getting into some nail art. So if you guys are interested in that, then definitely stay tuned for that video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, definitely give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you at one of the 2 videos at the end. I'll catch you guys there.